Question 3. The radius of a circle is 3.60 m, standing for meters. Work out the area of the circle. Give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. Little note there, diagram not accurately drawn. That means really and truly the measurements are not to scale. So it's question 3, it's worth 3 marks, which you can just see in the bottom right hand corner here. So I'll show you how to get full marks on this question. First thing we need to know is the formula to work out the area of a circle. So I'll write that down here. Area of a circle equals pi r squared, meaning pi radius squared. So labelling the circles earlier, we should know that the radius is from the centre of a circle to the outside of the circle, touching the circumference. So the radius of a circle is from the centre touching the outside of the same circle. So we've got our radius there, it's 3.60. So I'll substitute that for r. So I've got area equals pi 3.60 squared. Now, so the area, I'll abbreviate area with A, equals pi times 3.60 squared, because our formula said pi times radius squared. We know the radius is 3.60. Let's square the radius on the calculator. So 3.60, we know it's meters, no need for that just yet. 3.60 squared, x squared button on the calculator. Again, just to recap, squaring a number does not mean you times it by 2, you times it by itself. So 3.60 times 3.60, meaning you're squaring that number, gives you SD button if you require it, 12.96. So let's write that down. So 12.96, we know it's meters squared. Might just help us to remember the units when we put our answer down. So we've got that so far, so let's put that there. Pi times 12.96. Now the pi key, depending on your calculator on this one, it should always be shift first, so shift, and then you'll notice above each button on this calculator it's text in yellow. You just find the pi key. So on this one you can see that this button here times 10 to the power x, there's the pi sign. So what we do is we press shift, we press that button now, you'll see pi appear on your calculator. So pi times 12.96, because that was our radius squared. Press equals. Now it's saying error. Now the reason for that error, I know why that's an error, because what I forgot to do is shift pi times 12.96 equals SD button. Now, although on the formula here is pi 12.96, we know that it's pi times 12.96. Now, for the calculator, you've got a key in pi times 12.96. So we've got that answer there. We'll write that full answer down just so we can show the examiner we got to that part, just in case we do end up rounding incorrectly. The examiner will give us 2 marks for getting that answer. Now it's just about the rounding. So it says 3 significant figures. The first significant figure is 4. The second significant figure is the 0 there. We've got a decimal place there. The third significant figure is 7. We can do a little line there just for visual purposes. We look at the number to the right of the third significant figure. So the third significant figure was 7. Look to the number to the right of it, 1. Does that round 7 up? No, it doesn't. The rule is 5 or bigger, round the number there up 1. 4 or smaller, leave it the same. 1 is actually smaller than 4, so we leave that 7 where it is. So the answer is 40.7. Go back to the unit, meters. Because it said area, it's squared.